Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to install Android Studio and create your first Android application. Don't worry if you are a beginner, I will clearly explain everything for you. Now let's start. First thing we need is to download and install the Android Studio. The link to Android Studio will be in description to this video. Click the link and in the newly opened webpage click Download Android Studio. Then agree with terms and conditions and click Download. You will be automatically provided with the proper version of Android Studio depending on which operating system do you use. After you downloaded the Android Studio, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the file you just downloaded to open it. After that, just drag and drop your Android Studio to Applications folder and wait for it to be copied. If you use Windows, just follow the instructions after you click the file and the installer window appear. Now go to your Applications folder and double-click the Android Studio. You may close this window and just wait until it starts. And here just click Open. It may ask you to import settings from previously installed versions of Android Studio and you need to check Do Not Import Settings and click OK. Then we need to install the Android Software Development Kit. So in this window just click Next and check Custom and click Next. Now you can select the appearance. I prefer the dark one. Now we need to make sure the performance is checked and also we need to check the Android virtual device. And click Next. Android Studio may display the window to let you specify the amount of memory for your virtual device. You can use recommended size, but also you can increase the size for a better performance. And after that, just click Next. And click Finish. This will install the latest SDK tools and all components needed to start creating Android apps. After the download is completed, click Finish to start creating your first app. Click Start a new Android Studio project. Now choose the empty activity and click Next. Now we need to give our first project a name. So let's call it My Awesome App. You can also specify the package name and change the location of your project by clicking this folder icon. And now let's select the programming language. I advise you to pick Kotlin because it's newer and even Google advises it in the guidelines. Then just click Finish and wait until the indexing process is finished. You can hide the build window by clicking this button. The first thing we need is to open the resources folder. Here is the resources folder, and we need to open the layouts folder. And now we need this file activity main.xml, double click it to open, and now we need to switch to the text representation to modify our layout. So click here and we can rescale it, and here we have a text view. It just displays text, and let's change its text to it's my first Android app. Now you can run your app. If you have a device, just connect it to a computer and click the Run button, this one. If you don't have a device, you can create a virtual one. Click here and open the AVD Manager. So if you don't have any device here, you can create it, and create virtual device is what you need. Just select, you can select any device. I will select the Pixel 2 and click Next, and click Download near the newest Android version. So for me is Android 29. So just click download and click accept and next, and this will download the needed data for your virtual device. Just wait until the process will be finished. Now close the window by clicking finish and click next and finish. And now just close it, and here you can pick your newly created virtual device. So you can select this Pixel 2 API 29 and just run your app on this virtual device. Please note, guys, that it may a little to start the virtual device, so just be patient. You can allow notifications for your Android Studio. And as you can see, your app is running on your device or your virtual device. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.